loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taya. I hope you guys have been great. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. Wishing everyone a happy new year. Today I'll be sharing my absolutely easy roasted chicken recipe. If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into the video. Alright my loves, so we're gonna go ahead and start by getting rid of the backbone of the chicken. To do this, you just want to grab a very sharp scissors, cooking shear, and you just want to find the backbone as you're seeing me cut here. Once you find that, you want to just go ahead and cut through both sides and get rid of it. It's really easy, guys. You just identify the backbone and just use some shears to get rid of it. You can either save this and bake it when you bake your whole chicken, or you can get rid of it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare my seasonings. And for this chicken, it was really a simple medley of ingredients. I just did this just for the aesthetic of the video. You don't have to use a mortar and pestle. You can just throw all these ingredients in the blender, blend them up, and you're good. That's what I usually do, like if I'm cooking on a weeknight. You don't have to go through this like I did in this video. Once you do that, you just get all the ingredients together. You want to go ahead and dry off your chicken, and you want to make sure your chicken is really dry so you can get that really nice and crisp skin. I don't know, this chicken I got, it wasn't the best looking chicken, but it was the last one that was there when I went to grab it, so that's why it looks so ripped up. That's how I got it, guys. I don't know what's going on with that chicken, but it is what it is. We proceed. So I just went ahead and just salted the chicken, just put some salt all over the chicken, flip it over and salt it. Because I put butter into my seasoning, I didn't have to like oil the chicken before I went ahead and seasoned. So, but if you don't do that, you can make sure you cover your chicken in some vegetable oil or any neutral oil of your choosing, and then go ahead and season it as you'd like. And here I just have some purple cabbage, some carrots, some onions. Those are my veggies, and I think I also put in some squash. That's it. It's really simple, and just cover it in some seasoning. And also you want to go ahead and make sure you tuck your wings under your chicken as you see me do here. That prevents the wings from turning black when you bake it, or like, you know, getting burnt easier because it's closer to the fire. So once you tuck them under, it cooks evenly with the rest of the chicken. And that's it, guys. You just want to go ahead and cut this. It's really easy to dissect the chicken, and you have a perfect, easy, delicious weeknight meal on the table for your family. They would love you for this, and everyone's gonna be happy. You can serve this with the veggies that we made. You can cook some rice if you'd like, or some pasta, or some mashed potatoes with this. I mean, guys, the possibilities are endless. It is chicken after all, right? So go ahead and try this recipe out. If you guys do try it out, please let me know on here. Leave a comment in this comment section down below. Let me know what your New Year resolution is, if you have any plans. What are your plans for 2021, guys? Go ahead and leave a comment down below. One of my main goals for 2021 is to grow this channel to at least 5,000 of you loves, and I'm looking forward to all of us growing together and learning from each other on here. So just go ahead and let me know what your dreams are, or your goals are for 2021 down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. Share this video with loved ones that you think might want to see the video. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, loves.